How to add notes to Reels and feed post on Instagram. First of all, launch Instagram application on your device. Ensure to log into your account. Now select Reels or feed post where you want to add notes on Instagram. Once you have selected, tap on the paper airplane like icon at the bottom of this post. Here, select add notes to a post or reel icon and now tap on try it button. And here you can easily add a note. You can now mention friends as well. Once you have added the note, you can easily share your or select your audience. You can either select your close friends or followers you follow back. And once you do that, you can easily tap on the share button at the bottom of the screen, and then it will be visible to all of your audience's post on the Instagram, and it will be visible for 3 days. So that is it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching.